to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. No further ado, let's just get started. In today's video, we're going to do a review, demo slash unboxing on the new generation hair waver by ELLESYE. I think that's how you say it. If not, forgive me for pronouncing it wrong. This is an Amazon based brand. This company reached out to me and asked me if I would do a review, and of course I say I'm going to do my honest review on the product. I haven't opened it. Open it together and get the first impression together. At the back, it comes very nice. The boxing looks very nice, and it has a plastic, you see, and it says easy style and anti-scalding design, and it has 14 levels temperature control. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see right there. Sorry for the ring light that is hitting. It's the plastic. Let's just go ahead and open it. That is a very nice box. Love that. And I'm starting to like, because if you guys know me very well, my favorite color is pink. So, hey, that's a plus for me. So let's just go ahead and open it. At the back, it comes with a glove, so that is a plus. That's really good, so you don't get burned, because especially this type of irons, they could be very dangerous. Then it comes with a user a manual and some clippers, some clips so you could tie your hair. So that's good. And as you can see, it comes with the bubble wrap, so that's good. Oh, this is very nice. I like that. Really like it. It's very good quality, and I love the color. Like, I mean, you sold me with the color. Go ahead and get it closer so you guys can see it. It has all the buttons in here. I'm assuming something will pop over here when you turn it on. Love that you had this so you could put your fingers on here so you won't get burned. And it comes with this over here, you know, so you could put your hands or your fingers, not your hand of course, but like you could, you know, push it down with this without getting burned. So that's good. And this is how it looks. Very different than the one I have. Mine has 3 barrels like that. This one is like this. So I never used this type of curl iron. Figure out how these go together, because like I said, I never used this before. The one I have used is the 3 ones that is just straight down. I like this. So we're just gonna figure out together. Connected. So I want to show you guys up close that it says off. I hope you guys can see that. So right over here, when you turn it on, it will tell you off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on, and that's right, this button right here. Oops, let me see what it says. And it's going all the way up, the numbers. I hope you guys can see those numbers. Can you see that? So I'm gonna go all the way to 450. My hair could handle the 450. If your hair is very light, I suggest you use a different temperature, but my hair will handle the 450 because my hair is long and thick, so it will handle that type of temperature. But if your hair is very thin or very dry, I suggest you use a lower temperature. You will, like, if you use 450, I think you will burn your hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let it sit. So it goes all the way to 450. Right now it's on the 200. So just gonna put it on the side while we wait for the waver to get to the temperature that I need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and please, every time you use a hair tool, use some type of hair protector, heating protector. I'm using the Monet thermal protector. I usually use this when I use like really hot tools and stuff like that, or when I dry my hair, blow dry my hair. So I used to use this much, and I put this all on my ends of my hair and let it sit for a minute, a few seconds or minute, so into it kind of dries. But always use a heating protector. So I'm going to divide my hair. I'm going to put this up. How good this thing are, because I have thick hair. There you go. It's pretty good. Can you guys see? Yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and divide my hair. I'm going to start, and right now it's pretty hot. So you just have to hold it like that or try the glove. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and try the glove, which is, to me, it's kind of uncomfortable, but because I never use this type of hair waver, so I don't know how to manage with that. So I'm going to use this glove for now and see how it is. This is how much hair I grab, and let's see how this goes, because we're just going to learn this together. I have a mirror right here, so I'm going to, if you see me looking over here, it's because, you know, I gotta see what I'm doing. So I'm assuming that goes over here, and oh, I think I turned it off. No, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few hairs, and then the rest I will speed it up, because if not, we'll be sitting here for, it could go an hour long. So that's really, I like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and flat over here, and let's see how fast this thing, because the one with the 3 barrels, it takes me forever to do my hair, to do it. So let's see how fast I could do my hair with this one, since I don't have, I'm loving this hair waver better than the one I have. I'm not saying that I don't like mine, but I like this one. It looks like it goes pretty fast. It looks like it curls pretty fast. And did you see, guys, all the wave? Look how nice that turned out. Really like that. And I think that was pretty fast. Then flat. I don't put it too close to my skull or my ears. Obviously your ears, you don't want to get burned, but I normally don't get close to my skull. That's beautiful. I love this. That is beautiful. So I put the temperature down to 425 because it was getting a lot of smoky. So, and I kind of got scared. I normally I can handle the 450 because all my hair tools, I put them all the way to 450. But I don't know. This one looks like it's 450 is like pretty hot. I was getting afraid of. I see a lot of smoke coming out. So it seems like it's very easy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish with this, and I'm gonna speed up the whole entire process. And then when I move to the other side, I will show you guys how we do the other side. I kind of really like how my curls are turning. It's actually, I could see the curls more, like the wave, I could see it more than how my other, can you see? It is really nice. I really like it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do the top part. Show you guys this part right here, close but not too close. You guys can see. I wish I would have had this when my cousin got married, because that one, when I did it for my cousin's wedding, I mean, I think I was standing up in the bathroom doing my hair for like probably in an hour. My makeup too, that it takes me forever. So I wish I would have had this. I would have gone faster. Look guys, how beautiful everything turned out, all the wave. Very pretty. I'm not going to touch it because it's still hot, so I don't want it. So I'm just going to move it to the side, and we're going to go ahead and move to this side. This hand, and I already divide the hair, making sure I don't get burned. Top part of this side, so I'm just gonna go up here. I really love it. It's pretty fast. The curls are tighter. I am not gonna brush my hair because I don't like to brush the curl off. Eventually the curls are gonna fall off at their own, so I just like to leave it like that. I just, you know, put my fingers through and move my hair around, and that's it. Go ahead and get yourself one of these. I will give my approval because compared to the one I have, the 3-barrel, this hair tool, this company, it sends the tool, the 2 clips, and the glove for, I don't remember the price. I didn't really check the price, so, but I'm sure it's almost the same, around the price of the one I have. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link on the description box, so you guys could go ahead and check them out. I suggest you guys, if you are looking for beachy wave tool, a hair tool, I suggest you guys get this one. I really love it. I was very pleased. Like I said, it is pretty. I love how my curls turn out. I'm like very I mean, it is gorgeous. I love it. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you could get a notification every time I post a video. Share my video, hit like and comment down below and let me know what you guys think. And yes guys, I hope you have a beautiful day. Love you guys. Bye bye.